In the BonBi farm, Tabi waiting for the cow milk coming. Hey cow, go inside the cage now. Wow, we have a lot of cow milk. We are hungry. Hungry, I'm hungry. On time to eat, my dear cow. Have a good meal. Baby cow very lovely. Oh, the cow do caca. It's bad smell. So best cow. Tabi, the cow give milk for you. Let's drink the milk. It's help Tabi and friend growing up. Where did you go, little pig? Friend and I go to periodic health examination. Tabi raises with the green water, fresh vegetable, and good quality grain. Ducklings come back. Oh, I'm happy to come back to my lake with the cool water. Rabbit is come back. Rabbit, let's eat some carrots. Come again. Which animal come now? Oh, that is the chicken. Chicken, let's eat some corn. Yes, the corn so good. Whose building material? Oh, that to build the house for the sheep. Let's go inside the new house, my dear sheep. My friend sheep, let's eat some grass. I like to sit on the back of horsey. I like it. All the farm animals come back the house. Our class finished today. See you next time. Bye bye.